Hey Priya, how is your preparation going?
Hello, Ravi. Oh, to be honest, I am feeling a little nervous. There is so much to study.
Don't worry, Priya. We'll manage properly. Which subjects are you finding difficult?
Mostly maths and science. Formulas and equations are giving me a headache.
I understand. Those can be tricky. But remember, practice makes perfect. Let's work through some problems together later.
That would be fine. Thanks, Ravi. How are you? How are your preparations going?
It is going well. I am focusing on one subject at a time. Right now, I am reviewing history. It's not too bad.
Lucky you. History is my weakest subject. I am always confused about dates and events.
Don't worry, Priya. If you help me with maths and science, I will help you with history. We will make a good team.
Sounds like a plan. We will pass this exam with good marks then.
Absolutely. By the way, have you made any study schedule?
Not yet. I have been wanting to, but I keep postponing it.
Then let's create one together. This will help us stay organized and focused.
This is a great idea, Ravi. Thanks for suggesting this. Okay, so we have 6 topics to cover before the exam starts. Let us allocate specific days for each subject.
Sounds good. How about we start with maths tomorrow?
Sure, we can spend a whole day on this if needed. Then we can move on to science the next day.
Sounds like a plan. Let's also make sure to take short breaks in between study sessions to avoid burnout.
Agreed, we can use those breaks to rest and refresh.
This looks perfect, Priya. With this schedule, I'm sure we will be well prepared for the exams.
I hope so, Ravi. Thanks for helping me. I feel much better now.
Anytime, Priya. We are in this together. Remember?
Yes, you are right. I feel lucky to have a friend like you.
Now let us try our best and succeed in these exams.
Yes, we can do this. Let's work on our plans and meet in a few days to discuss more. Hey Ravi, how's your preparation going?
Hello, Priya. It is going well. I have completed the revision of maths and science as per my schedule.
That's great to hear. I have also made good progress in history and English.
Awesome. We are halfway there. There are still three more subjects remaining.
Yes, but I'm starting to feel the pressure again. What if I forget everything during the exam?
Don't worry, Priya. Remember what we talked about? Stay calm and focused. You have worked hard and it will pay off.
Thanks, Ravi. I needed that reminder. Sometimes nervousness overpowers me.
Whatever happens, happens for good. But you are doing great. Just keep believing in yourself.
You were right. I can do this.
Absolutely. Now let's review our notes one more time before we wrap this up.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. Oh, that was intense. But now I am feeling more confident.
Same here. It's amazing what a little revision can do. We will succeed in these exams, Priya.
Certainly, Ravi. Thank you for being such a supportive friend throughout this journey.
Likewise, Priya, no matter what, we have supported each other.
Come on, exams. We are ready for you.
That's the spirit, Priya. Let us show them what we are made of. Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.